Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. Then at the back side we have connectional button and we need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds. So let's press and hold it. Firstly it entered to prank mode, don't worry. Keep holding. And it just flashed 3 times red, so it performed a factory reset. Now we need to remove and add these earbuds. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button to enter prank mode manually, we just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!